So just who is this guy?
Hey! What's up, MEcOnistas? MEcOwenTO is back at it again with another vlog. But before I share with you about our very exciting gimmick for today's episode, let me call on my buddy Finn to give you a quick recap on MEcO's recent activities this past few months. So Finn, where you at, my handsome buddy?
I'm here, handsome Roy. Can't see you, bro. Oh, hey, Watcher. Didn't see you there. Well, it's Finn again.
And welcome back to Flashbacks with Finn.
So buckle up your seatbelts as I take you back to what MEcO has been up to the past few months since October. Here are some of the projects MEcO was able to accomplish with an outstanding team and engaging members. The first being Financial Awareness Campaign, which surely was a fun-filled journey on basic financial literacy. There's also the series of game nights and the first MEcO week filled with lots of fun memories of virtual member bonding experiences. Apart from this, MEcO also held its 2-day General Assembly orienting our new members about the MEcO culture. Then, there's 2 Stocks Plus webinars held by the Instrat department, open to the public to learn more about trading wisely. And last but certainly not the least, we have the Community Development Department initiative called Save Campaign, where volunteer members teach our partner school kids basics on financial literacy. Well, that's it from me. Back to you, Roy.
Thank you, Finn, for that quick breeze through MEcO's recent projects. But guys, I'm very excited to share with you about today's episode content. Stock investment. Ka-ching! Yep, you heard that right. And we are going to hear about it from different people with varying levels of knowledge in investing. So chillax right there as we introduce to you our special guests.
Hi, I'm Andy, and I'm a level 1 investor, starting on some casual investments.
Hi, I'm Aaron, and I'm a level 3 investor. I was fortunate enough to be mentored by Kahana and Denzel while I was starting out.
Hey everyone, my name is Erwin Lee. I graduated in 2019. I used to lead the investment mentorship program of MEcO, and I used to trade stocks since 2008, and today I handle my own investment fund.
As for me, I divide the 100k to 50-50 and invested on 2 separate blue chip stocks like PLDT Telecom, who's surely in demand during these times. Wi-Fi and phone signals are highly important, and probably avoid this group of companies just to safely diversify as well my portfolio.
The PSEI index has already gone up 17% in the last month, which means that the biggest names in the stock market have already gone up significantly. I would expect other investors who have profited from big names to move their money somewhere else. Given this, I would consider putting my money into second and third liners. The first trade that I'm going to take is MEcOWENTO Corporation, which is the second line. MEcOWENTO is growing out of its 7-month consolidation with huge volume. I would purchase 30,000 worth of shares and set my cut loss below 8 pesos and my target price to 12 to 14 pesos per share, a downside of 7% and an upside of 40 to 60%. Next stock is Fidess Mining, which is a third liner. I would buy 40,000 worth of shares at a break of 5.80 pesos per share and set my stop loss at 5.4 pesos per share and my target price is 7 to 8 pesos per share, a downside of 5% and an upside of 20 to 40%. The rest, which is 30,000, would be set to cash position.
Okay, so I'm actually very bullish on the PSEI for a few key reasons. First is that I think that the vaccine is very close, and secondly is the election of Joe Biden, which I think is going to end the politicization of this pandemic. So what stocks do I like? Well, I'm taking a look at the PSEI for blue chips with a big COVID discount, and what catches my eye is BDO. So BDO came from 141 back in March, and today it's only at 92, 93 pesos. And I think this is a very good deal, right? It's trading at only 9 times PE ratio using 2019 earnings. Yes, granted this year earnings are hit because of COVID, but as of third quarter 2020, it has already recovered to pre-pandemic levels. Secondly, I like BDO given that it's the leading bank, and I think that the BSP and central banks all over the world will keep interest rates low to spur the economy. And what that means is that loan volume is going to grow, and I think that's very good for these banks. And I also very much like BDO because it has 2 trillion pesos in assets. It's the largest bank. It's backed by the SM Group, so it's going to recover sooner or later. And if you take a look at the charts, The support area is at around 85 to 88. It's currently at 92. I think our TP1 would be around 110 pesos, and if you go higher, maybe 130 pesos over longer term. So that's a gain of at least 20% to 110 and around 40% to 130, right? And your risk is only up to the 85, 88 area, which is around 7%. That gives you a risk-reward ratio of 3 to 6, and I think that's a very good deal. My other stock pick would be Merrimart, a growth stock. It's currently at 385. I believe that this stock is worth at least 5 to 6 pesos, which is significant gain if you take a look at the chart. It's also trading above all the moving averages, and I think this is a very good sign that investors are bullish on this stock. I also think it has a long way to go, at 28 billion market cap before it reaches the likes of Pure Gold, Robinsons Retail, or maybe 7-Eleven, all at 100+ billion market cap. So if I had a 100,000 peso portfolio, I'll probably allocate 40,000 pesos to BDO, 30,000 to Merrimart, and I'll keep the other 30,000 in cash just in case new opportunities come up in the market.
Well, very interesting answers, guys. Thank you so much. But what about you? Yes, you. Upon seeing all the respective strategies in investing, which level do you see yourselves in? Comment down below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MEcO Bull.